that insight throughout our news. Now we move on to our next news. The U.S. Justice Department is pushing back against a request from two lawmakers, which is to appoint a special master to oversee the public release of documents related to convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein. This comes as U.S. Representatives Khanna and Massie have criticized the department for its slow pace in releasing records connected to Epstein's case. Since December last year, the DOJ has been gradually releasing these documents, but Khanna and Massie argue that the department has not complied with the law requiring all records to be made public by December 19th. In their request, they called for a special master to monitor the release process. However, the Justice Department has filed a response asserting that Khanna and Massie do not have legal standing in the case and that their request is inconsistent with court procedures. Now for this discussion, we welcome back Major General Gigi Dwivedi. He's a retired war veteran as well as Professor of International Relations and Strategic Studies. Joins us live from New Delhi. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for staying with us. Now, looking at this, it's like every week there's a new added dispute between the feds and the state governments in U.S. and this one another one. What more can you tell us about this one?
Suma, this Epstein case
Yes.
has been on the horizon of the American media, and you're right that every week or 10 days we find new developments taking place. Now the recent case is primarily that it was Khanna and Massie. They had moved a resolution that they should be appointing the special masters in this case, because as per them the Fed is not, the Justice Department is not complying with the laid down rules and regulation, and the pace of release of various files has been rather slow, and to that extent they feel that in case the special master is appointed, then there will be a watch on the Justice Department, and therefore this will actually facilitate the faster release of files, and also they have raised the issue about the case that is going on between the US and the Maxwell. Maxwell is also was involved in the Epstein files, and to that extent also they want that the full justice should be provided to Maxwell. Now these are the issues which are on the table, but the Justice Department has opposed this because they feel that, or they have stated that neither Khanna or Thomas have any stakes in the Maxwell case, and currently the procedure that will be followed is right, and there's no need for appointing the special masters in this case, Suma.
Right. And so what do you think, what does this Justice Department refusal to appoint a special master reveal about the Justice Department's motive or their bigger goal, and also what are the broader political implications if members of Congress are seen as lacking the authority to enforce disclosure laws on the Justice Department?
Suma, this Epstein case has also become a slugfest between the Democrats and the Republicans, and willy-nilly, the Justice Department toes the line of the government of the day, and to that extent, there have been a lot of noise about this issue, that while this case of Epstein, came up as a bipartisan approach, but over the period of time, it has taken the two parties on the, daggers drawn, because two very important personalities are involved in this. One is the serving President Trump and the former President Clinton. So therefore, there is a feeling that the Justice Department definitely is lenient to the issues of the current government of the day, And therefore, these two judges have wanted that the special master be appointed so that there is some kind of a watch or supervision on the activities of the Justice Department. Asuma.
With that, I would like to thank Major General Gigi Dwivedi for joining us today and sharing that insight throughout our news. Thank you very much.